Gardening folklore and myths have been around since the first tools scratched the ground over 7,000 years ago. This Tuesday, Mythbusters will revisit the weather predicting capabilities of the persimmon tree's seed. Hi, I'm Professor Debunk, your Tuesday Mythbuster investigator.
Let's look at the persimmon's success at predicting this past winter's weather.
Most people associate persimmons with an astringent taste or a puckering effect of the unripe fruit, but a ripe persimmon is delicious. Getting a local persimmon fruit can satisfy a sweet tooth and forecast what the winter weather might be, or can it?
Let's do some research and hands-on work to determine if the persimmon seed has true weather forecasting capabilities, or is it just a myth? According to the myth, you must collect local seeds to get an accurate forecast.
Breaking open the seed kernel will show one of three utensils. A knife. This means expect cutting, frigid winds, thanks to our friends up north. A fork. This is the best one as it prognosticates a mild winter. A spoon. Get the snowblower tuned up. A lot of snow will be falling. This Tuesday Tip researcher has examined the seeds gathered from Powell Gardens in the fall of 2023. And pictured here is the shape found. A spoon.
So, if the persimmon seeds were right, did we wear out our snowblowers? Well, how much snow did we get this winter? For winter 2023-2024, the Kansas City area received 13.2 inches of total snowfall.
The average snowfall in Kansas City over the last 10 years is 18.2 inches. And with that, I think I have to call this a myth. Another myth debunked by Professor Debunk. Predicting the weather with persimmon seed is a fun and maybe even tasty way, but unscientific method to come up with a winter forecast. Leave us a comment with your favorite garden legend and let our team find out the truth. Subscribe to our channel and watch all of our videos. See you in the garden.